Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to teach you step by step how you can use the advanced search feature in your Google Drive account, for example, to filter files and folders in your Google Drive account by file size, name, location and other metrics. So let us show you how to do that, guys. If you'd like to organize your Google Drive account better, you may make use of the advanced search feature. To do that, head over to your Google Drive account and here locate the My Drive overview to have a better overview of all of your stored files and folders in your Google Drive account. So what you want to do, guys, is use the search bar at the top, but instead of typing your entry here, simply use that icon or button here to the right. This is going to give you access to the advanced search feature. So let me do that really quickly. And that's basically it. Now you may, for example, filter or sort your results by type by clicking on that arrow down icon here and filter out any files by specific file type, like, I don't know, for example, audios, videos, presentations, images, PDFs, and so on and so forth. Then you may do the same with the ownership, for example, filter out files that are owned by yourself or owned by a specific user, and so on and so forth. Search by specific words or tags or search terms here, by item name, by location. For example, you may go a bit more in depth here and look for files and folders stored in a specific folder in your Google Drive, and so on and so forth. After that, you may go by the modification date, by approvals and e-signatures, by the shared to feature here, for example. You may, for example, enter the email addresses of the users you would like to filter out these files for, and so on and so forth, guys. So once that's done, simply either click on search here to apply these filters or reset these filters to start all over. So that's basically it, guys. And that's how you use the advanced search feature. After that, you will see the files and folders with the applied filters listed here. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.